Yes, Maxine's Corner. Hi, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. I want to thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you for your continuous support. And before I get started, I just want to let you guys know, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't as yet. I know that you are watching, but I'm not seeing that you're subscribing. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel because it's what? Free. So it's absolutely free. Thank you to all my subscribers for your continuous support. It is greatly appreciated. So in today's video, I will be making a delicious, and when I say delicious and refreshing, and you can make this any time of year, but I absolutely love it for the spring, and your entire family will love it. This is a family favorite for me, especially the kids. They love it. So I'm going to be making a quinoa Mediterranean salad. Now, for some of you guys who are gluten-free, this is absolutely perfect for you. All right, and what I love about quinoa is that it is a good carb, right? So we have bad carb and we have good carb. Quinoa is considered a good carb. It's considered to be a complex carb. So with that being said, let's go ahead and make this delicious quinoa Mediterranean salad. All right, come on, let's go make the salad. Okay, my healthy people, so to make my quinoa Mediterranean salad, I will add my quinoa to my pan. To that, I will add my 2 cups of water. Salt, and I'm using Himalayan salt. Cover. All right, my healthy people. So once it starts to simmer, turn it down to low heat and let it cook for 15 minutes. All right, my healthy people, our quinoa is finished, and you just fluff it just like that. All right, my healthy people, we're gonna take our quinoa and we're gonna put it in our bowl. It's a little hot right now, so we're gonna put this to cool while we assemble the rest of our vegetables. So let's do that. Have some red onions that I've chopped really small. So I'm gonna set this to the side. Then I'm going to chop my cucumbers. Guys, the reason why I'm not measuring is because you can put as much of these vegetables as you want in it. And I'm just gonna cut my tomatoes. I'm really just cutting them like this. My knife is not that sharp. Make sure you get yourself a nice sharp knife, okay? So I'm just gonna cut them. So I'll just chop up a few olives here. These are black olives. Go ahead and add my olives. Add your tomatoes. Then I'm gonna add my onions and my cucumbers. Let's just go ahead and toss this. Go ahead and toss everything together so far. So I take my cilantro and I'm just gonna chop it up. Go ahead and just toss it just like that. Look at how pretty that looks. Now let's get our dressing together. Olive oil, salt, the juice of 1 lemon. That's gonna help to bring out the flavors. Healthy recipes, lifestyle tips. You can top it off with some avocado. Let me just give it a taste. Perfect. Quick and easy Mediterranean quinoa salad. That was absolutely delicious. If you guys have any questions for me, go ahead and leave it down below. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Once again, check out a few of these other videos as well. If you do make any of these recipes, don't forget to tag me at Maxinescorner, yes, on Instagram, and also check me out on Facebook, all at Maxinescorner as well. All right, so that's all I have for today. And like I said, if you love this video, give it a big thumbs up. And what? Say it with me. Go on. Say it for me. I know you know what it is. Okay, I'll say it. Stay healthy.